Have you noticed how no matter what you do, your brain always finds a way to tell you you're not good enough? That's low self-esteem in action. It's not just in your head. It's a learned pattern, and today we're going to break it. Low self-esteem often comes from internalized negative self-beliefs, often from childhood or repeated social comparison. Low self-esteem isn't laziness, it's just a habit your brain picked up. A filter that makes mistakes look huge and wins look tiny. Psychologists call it a cognitive bias. Your mind automatically focuses on mistakes and ignores successes. It's like your brain is running a highlight reel, but only the embarrassing parts. Here are the traps that keep you stuck. Number 1. Constant comparison. Scrolling through social media, thinking everyone's life is perfect. Constantly comparing yourself to others triggers negative emotions. 2. Negative self-talk. Calling yourself stupid for small mistakes. Your inner critic strengthens these patterns. 3. Avoiding challenges. If you don't try, you don't fail, but you also don't grow. Fear of failure keeps your brain in a comfort zone, which actually reinforces low self-esteem. Now here's how to fix it with tiny actions. Number 1. Track small wins. Write down 3 things you did well today. Writing down achievements activates the brain's reward system and boosts confidence. 2. Interrupt negative thoughts. Always challenge every negative thought. Cognitive behavioral therapy shows that this rewires thinking patterns. Number 3. Take micro steps. Acting in small ways creates evidence for your brain that you can succeed. And yes, finishing your laundry counts. Your brain will throw a party for it. You can actually reframe your mind. Psychologists call it cognitive restructuring. Replace "I failed" with "I learned something." Replace "I'm not enough" with "I'm improving daily." Over time, this rewires neural pathways and negative self-beliefs lose power. These aren't feel-good phrases. They're more factually correct than the original thought. Your inner critic isn't being realistic, it's being catastrophic. Being brutal with yourself isn't discipline. It's just noise. And noise slows you down. Low self-esteem is a learned filter, not a personality trait. It shows up as comparison, negative self-talk, and avoidance. And it gets broken by small daily wins, questioning your inner critic, and taking action before you feel ready. Low self-esteem isn't who you are. It's a pattern your brain learned. For more psychology insights, hit subscribe and join the MindGrid.